Hello guys. Today we will try to understand the famous formula which is VLOOKUP function, which is very famous in advanced Excel concepts. And in the previous videos we have seen conditional formatting and index plus match and conditional formatting with the different setups, and also we have seen some SQL videos. Please check out the videos to understand more depth knowledge in SQL and Excel, and thank you for encouraging me. And now we will try to understand today, which is VLOOKUP function. And first of all, here you can see I have some marks here and I have some grades. Generally, to get grades, we will use if function, but I'm not explaining if function today. We are going to look same thing with VLOOKUP function. But actually, VLOOKUP function will work with exact match. Many times we will use exact match. What is meant by exact match? Which we'll use VLOOKUP values this one, and table array is my marks range, and of course we have to use absolute difference here, comma, and column index number is 2 because I required 2 grade, that is grade, comma. Here you can see the tricky part. So always we are gonna use exact match, which is 0 normal times, but this times we are going to use which is approximate match. So what exactly mean by approximate match first? So let's try to understand. First let me give that one, come on, one. One stands for true in Excel, that's the reason I have given one. So if you are confusing, let me give TRUE, true, that is approximate match, and close the parenthesis, that is poor. So now let me drag and drop. That's my answer. Poor, excellent. That's the correct answer. But what if I give false here? False. Look at that. It is not gonna match because of course this 90 is matching exactly. That's the reason giving it is excellent. But if I change to 91, that's not gonna work. So in VLOOKUP, whenever you're using this false, that means this lookup value in table array, it should match exactly. So that is the meaning of that one. So now if I'm using approximate match, if it is a number, so it can check for next number. So let me check 0 to 35. 27 is a range of 0 to 35. That's the reason it is giving poor. So now you can see poor. So this is a way we can use VLOOKUP function with approximate match. But many of people maximum they will use exact match. But today we have tried with approximate match. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and share with your friends and share this content to everyone so that I can make more tips in Excel, SQL, and different technologies of analytics field. Thank you so much.